Are you looking for gift ideas for a Paracord enthusiast, but don't know what to get? Stay tuned, because I've got some really good ideas that they might really like. Now, probably the most obvious gift for a Paracord enthusiast is some paracord. Now, when I'm running out, I normally just jump on Amazon and get it from Paracord Planet. It's really good quality. I use it all the time. I'm not being sponsored by them or anything like that. This is what I buy from Amazon. And if there's colours that I can't get from Amazon because of shipping and stuff like that, then I get my cord from Paracord EU. Now, another really good idea for a Paracord enthusiast is a knotter's tool. Now, this is from Jigshot Pro. It's really good. It did come with a pen clip, but I got rid of that and I added this lanyard. I was just playing around, added this lanyard, but it's good. It's nice, heavy. It's got a really good point on the end. It unscrews in 2 places, and inside you have 3 fids. Now, you've seen these featured on my videos a lot, and I've used this a lot because look at this microcord fid. It's bent up all over the place. So if you're looking for a really practical thing that they would really appreciate, get them a knotter's tool. Now, if you're looking for a more comprehensive kit to give somebody, then this Paracord Planet 12-piece fid set, you try saying that quick, it comes with, a nice knotter's tool. It unscrews both ends, and you can also store your fids in there. It's aluminium, so it's really light, and it has a nice stubby point at the end, so that means you don't poke holes in your paracord. It comes with quite a large variety of fids, big chunky 6mm fids, normal 550 and microcord. It has a really good lacing needle, which I use quite a lot. It also comes with a needle, which is really useful if you want to do things like this. Got some tweezers, which are really good. A smoothing tool. It's got a round end and a pointy end, and the middle has this nice knurled effect. You've got some bent fids. They're bent on purpose. I think they might be for doing leather work. And you've also got these scissors. They're good for cutting microcord and type 1, but they will really struggle with 550. It also comes in a bag. Keep everything safe and together. Has a drawstring at the top so you don't lose anything. So yeah, it's a really good, really useful kit, and if I hadn't already got one, I would put it on my Christmas list. So that was 3 gift ideas for the Paracord enthusiast. All the Amazon links are in the description below. If you would like to see what my top jig of 2024 is, type jig in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, and I shall see you in the next one.